What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best espresso machines in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these espresso machines, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine with Grinder. This new machine takes making espresso drinks to a new level with a touchscreen that guides you through the drink-making process with images, tips and instructions. We were in awe that the machine told us how much espresso to brew and what temp to steam the milk. It produced a tasty espresso shot with a nice layer of crema. If you choose not to use the preset drink-making options, you can adjust the grind size and water temperature to personalize your shot of espresso. In addition, there are 8 settings for the amount of froth, as well as temperature choices from 110 to 170 degrees for milk-based drinks like cappuccinos, so your drink can really be tailored to your preferences. Feel like a true barista by manually frothing your milk, or there's a hands-off option for days when you want more convenience. We were pleased that the espresso maker had options for the type of milk being frothed, including dairy, almond, oat or soy milk. In our tests, we found the controls were responsive and easy to use. The machine parts were easy to take apart for a thorough cleaning, but most parts needed to be hand-washed. Number 2. Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine. The Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine is more affordable than many espresso machines, and it performed well in our lab testing. Our experts appreciate that the machine pre-infuses the espresso grinds with water to saturate them before brewing. This helps to extract the grounds evenly, and in our tests, we found this led to a smooth extraction and a lot of crema on top of the espresso. Surprisingly, for a lower-priced espresso machine, it has some nice extra features, like a warming plate on top to warm up your mug before pulling a shot. We found this model's touchscreen easy to navigate with 2-shot, hot water and steam options. The included scoop ensures you measure out your grinds accurately each time you pull a shot. While this machine offers a steaming wand to whip up your favorite coffee shop beverage, you will need to purchase a steaming pitcher separately for whipping up frothed milk. Number 3. Breville Bambino Plus. If you want to feel like a barista but don't want a large machine, the Breville Bambino Plus is the perfect, compact machine that won't take up a lot of counter space. One of our experts owned this for years and loved that the small machine still made a high-quality shot of espresso. It comes with 2 dual-wall filter baskets for pre-ground coffee beans, a trimming tool, a tamper and a milk jug to be used with the attached steam wand to froth your own milk. The brew settings allow you to choose between a single espresso or a double espresso, plus steamy, frothy or very frothy milk. In our tests, this machine made espresso that was strong with a crema that wasn't overbearing. In the lab, we found that this machine heated quickly, wasn't too loud, had a small footprint, and could be wiped down easily. Number 4. DeLonghi Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe Coffee Espresso Machine. First, we love how easy the Nespresso VertuoPlus is to use. The lid opens and closes with a light press of the lever, and you can start brewing with the push of a button. It's also rather foolproof. The capsule machine uses a special system to detect the barcode on the capsule and then brews the drink exactly how it's supposed to brew. Choose from 5 drink types: espresso, double espresso, gran lungo, mug and alto. In our tests, every cup of espresso and coffee came out hot and well-rounded with a luxurious crema. We also like that the position of the water tank can be moved around to accommodate your counter space. Another noteworthy perk is that Nespresso recycles used pods if you send them back to the company, and the brand's newest Virtuo machine is made with 54% recycled plastic. Finally, you can't beat the price, and it requires barely any cleanup. Number 5. DeLonghi Dynamica Plus Fully Automatic Coffee Maker Espresso Machine. This super automatic espresso maker is one of our favorite machines. It grinds your beans and produces excellent, hot espresso with a thin but creamy crema. We were particularly impressed with the unique milk hopper and frothing capabilities and found it easy to fill, attach and clean. Since it's detachable, you can store the unused milk in the fridge for later. When you choose a drink that incorporates milk, the machine indicates the frother setting and gives you time to select it from 3 options before frothing begins. It also reminds you to run the cleaning stage for the milk container. The Dinamica has a touchscreen that's highly responsive and easy to operate. There are 16 drink options on the machine, including latte, espresso, cappuccino, flat white, true brew over ice, regular coffee, and more. You can also save your favorite drink settings for one-touch brewing. Number 6. Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine. This super automatic espresso machine from Philips has a large, intuitive touchscreen control panel that makes it easy to select and brew drinks. It grinds whole beans for 5 different drink presets: espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, black coffee, and Americano. Our testers found the drinks to be flavorful but light-bodied, and were especially impressed with the cappuccinos and lattes. It has a removable, dishwasher-safe milk hopper rather than a wand, which pours the froth directly into your cup, so frothing milk is simple, hands-free, and easy to clean up. This model also includes a water hardness test strip so that you can adjust the system based on your water's hardness level. An AquaClean filter reduces water hardness and prevents the buildup of limescale in your machine to ensure that each cup of espresso is excellent. Number 7. Lavazza Classy Plus all-in-one espresso machine. It's one of the most convenient capsule machines for making a single-serve latte, cappuccino, or macchiato in a few easy steps. Simply fill the Lavazza glass with milk, attach the top lid, drop in a capsule, and start the machine. It does all the work for you, producing a coffeehouse-style drink in a few minutes. The milk whips up directly in the cup, and the coffee brews directly in to join it. It's a one-stop shop for anyone who wants a milk-based coffee drink without the hassle of a ton of steps. In our tests, the frother worked well, even for nut milk, which can be hard to froth. There are a variety of Lavazza capsules available, from light to dark roasts. It can also make an 8-ounce cup of coffee for the traditionalists. The touch screen is easy to read, although some of our testers didn't find it as intuitive as we would have liked.